Want to learn how to make the dispersion effect in a few easy steps? Then this is the tutorial for you. First, duplicate layer with Ctrl+J. Now with Polygon Lasso tool, select the body. Choose a photo with a simple background. Now go to Edit, Fill. Deselect your selection. Now sharpen around the body to make the next step easier. With quick selection, select the body. In my case, I can't select her hair with this tool too well, but it's not a problem. It doesn't have to be a perfect selection. When you think you are done, duplicate the selection. Delete the photo that still has a background. Now duplicate the body layer. Select the first body layer. Go to Filter, Liquify, and with Forward Warp tool, drag the pixels to the right the way I do. Create a mask for the first body layer. Make it black with Ctrl+I. Now create a mask for the second body layer. Make sure the color is black and that the white mask is selected. Now with the brush tool, you basically delete parts of her. You will find on my channel a tutorial about how to install new brushes is needed for this tutorial. I will leave in the description the brushes that I used. Now make sure the color is white and that the black mask is selected. And now with the brush tool, you basically make the dispersion effect. You will repeat the last two steps if needed. Click right on the background layer and choose Merge Visible. Now go to Filter to sharpen this result. For more tutorials, subscribe to my channel.